Setting up your Amazon Echo Show 8 is straightforward. We'll walk through the essential steps to get your device ready for use. First, plug in your third generation Echo Show 8 to a power outlet. The device features a sleek design with edge to edge glass and a compact speaker enclosure. Next, connect your Echo Show 8 to your home Wi Fi network. The device will guide you through the wireless setup process on its touchscreen. The device will then prompt you to log into your Amazon account. This connects your Echo Show 8 to your Amazon services and preferences. The Alexa app on your smartphone should automatically recognize your new Echo Show 8. This enables seamless integration with voice and touch controls. Once setup is complete, owning an Echo Show 8 grants you access to Alexa Plus on all your Echo devices, providing enhanced features and seamless smart home integration. Now that your Echo Show 8 is connected, it's time to unlock its full potential through Alexa skills and smart home integration. Skills are like apps for your Echo Show. Simply say, Alexa Enable, followed by the skill name, or browse and activate them through the Alexa app. Your Echo Show 8 serves as a powerful smart home hub, giving you centralized control over all your connected devices. The Echo Show 8 connects to devices using advanced smart home standards like Matter and Thread, enabling local control even without an internet connection. One popular integration is connecting a Ring doorbell to your Echo Show. When someone presses the doorbell, the camera feed automatically appears on your screen. Visual ID is a smart feature that detects when you're approaching the device and personalizes the displayed content based on your preferences and calendar. With Alexa skills activated and smart home devices connected, your Echo Show 8 becomes the central command center for your connected home, offering both convenience and personalized experiences.